Today we are cooking we're not even cooking. We are doing a jelly sandwich.
That's
sticky.
This would have came into play if we got the knife before.
Knife.
Okay, so we have a knife, and we're just going to...
Don't cut it now.
Stop.
You need a knife, child. You
Oh
can have
my
a knife,
God.
child.
Okay, so we just...
Let me just shank you in the gut with this drawer, and
we just put some...
I'll
jelly.
spread it.
No.
That's the only thing I won't mess up.
You might burn the house down with a knife.
What?
How does that work?
Don't question us. I break everything. I wouldn't say burn everything.
Done!
Done.
Wait.
You-
Those are
He
folded.
rubbed jelly all over my hand. Tastes kind of good. What the heck?
So it stays closed.
This is case closed. We're done with it. We're done with that.
Okay, done.
Good day.